In a world that often hurries past pain, two tiny souls, Kim and Kate, walked alone through the rain, their hearts heavier than their worn-out shoes. Life had taken more than it ever gave them. But one stormy
Hello guys, welcome to AI with Filmzy. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this 3D video you guys just watched. Yes, this is actually a 3D pizza styled kid story video. I actually achieved this using free AI tools and also my mobile phone. So if this interests you, please stick to this video to the end as I walk you through on how to do that. I'm currently using ChatGPT on the mobile app. So I'll tap on it and go ahead and sign up using my Gmail account I have right here. So I'll tap on these three lines and I'll tap on Explore GPTs, and then I'm going to search for animation script writer. This is it over here. There are so many things you can explore in this ChatGPT mobile. So tap on start charts. So I've already gotten like an idea of what I want on the story I want it to build for me. So I'm going to type in my prompt. So guys, this is actually my prompt. I have typed in the prompt. It's actually a short 3 minutes animated 3D pizza style story of twins and how they lost their parents. So they got to enter the street, and yeah, fortunately for them, they met a rich couple who later took them in. So the story should be emotional, it should teach a lesson, and has 7 scenes. The tone should be filled with suspense and a warm ending. So I'm going to tap on send and let's see what this gives to us. So this is it actually. GPT have gone ahead to actually give us the story. This is the story: scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, 6, 6, and scene 7. Just exactly how we asked it to. I have gone ahead to generate the first image. So I asked ChatGPT to create an image of scene 1 in Pixar 3D style in the vibrant HD format. The image should be in aspect ratio 16:9. So this is the first image for the scene 1. As you can see, this is looking clean and neat. So this is it. I asked it to continue to scene 2. Once you ask it to continue to the next scene, that's how it will just keep going. So this is scene 2 and this is scene 3. I still asked it to continue to scene 3 and continue to scene 4. This is what it gave. Then this is the last scene over here, which I asked it to do, and this is what it gives. So I'll go ahead and download the images. So guys, once I am done generating the image, the next thing I will do is to actually animate them, and I'll be using Haloid.ai. It's actually a AI text to video or image to video tool. You can actually access it for free. For free users, they give you 100 credits. So you tap on the plus sign to get started. Make sure you have signed up using your Gmail account. Image to video, so I'll tap on that. So this is the face right here, and I'm going to click here to upload my image. So I've uploaded in the first image, and I'll type the prompt action I need it to do. It's to be sobbing and shaking. So once I'm done with that, tap on finish. This is going to just take me 30 credits. As a free user, I get about 100 credits per day. So I'm going to tap here to put in the camera movement. So I just need you to be in this second one. So camera control, I don't know. So I'm just going to put this variable. Let's try it out and see. So I'll tap on finish and wait for some seconds for us to generate this video. So guys, I have gone ahead to create it. This is what it looks like, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and animate the rest 4 scenes, and I'll come back and show you guys. Just a short narrator's point of view will be perfect for this. So just to add it more lively, just to make the story more lively and more engaging, so I just need a short narrator's point of view for the story. So I've typed that in. I'm going to tap on send, and so this is actually the short narrator's point of view, and I'll go ahead and copy it and paste it in a text to voice generating app. Guys, I have copied the text for the narrator's point of view, and we're going to generate, like, we're going to use a free tool called Speechma, which is going to do this magic. We are not using the popular 11 labs. Yeah, we just need to use this because it's free, and yeah, so I'll go ahead and paste in my text which I just copied. So this is the text. This Fishma allows about 2000 word character, so we can see our word character is just 419. So you can see there is still more. So before we tap on generate over here, we need to check out the voices. I want to actually use a female voice, so I just need to test any of the female voice. This is actually a female voice. Let me see how it sounds. Guys, I think I love this voice that has like a child's voice or something. So I'm just going to tap on it. You can see I've selected the voice Anna. So once I have selected the voice, before I tap on generate, I just need to put in this code. I've actually made a video of how you can uh, use Speechma, another free text to voice generator. So I'll tap on generate audio. Since we have generated the voice for the video, we also need to generate sound effects. Yes, you need to generate sound effects that will go well with the video. Yeah, so the voice, so the sound effects you're going to use, you just go to Pixabay pictures and whatsoever you need. So I'm going to tap on sound effect, and this is the interface. So I'm going to search for, I think in this video we have like a bustling city, we have like raindrops. So I'm just going to first of all type in raindrops.
So once we are done getting our voice over, that's our voice generator, and also the sound effect, we just have to start editing it. So I'm currently editing it, and once I'm done editing it, guys, you're going to see the outcome afterwards.
In a world that often hurries past pain, two tiny souls, Kim and Kate, walked alone through the rain, their hearts heavier than their worn-out shoes. Life had taken more than it ever gave them. But one stormy evening, hope found them, not in a grand gesture, but in the simple kindness of strangers who chose to stop, to see, and to love. Sometimes, family isn't who you're born to, it's who finds you when you're lost.